Yay, we made it to the lake. It's a big one. I tell you, the lake is big, but the house is small. 750 square feet. Yes. I don't know what's down that way. Might have to do some exploring. Oh, there's the grill right there. All right. That's the sauna. I don't know if we need that. That's the hot tub over there. There's also two outhouses. No running water inside. And a little tiny refrigerator. Thank goodness that there's an upstairs and a downstairs to this place. I think it's. I thought it was gonna be more like those over there, the little house right there. Yeah, actually, I thought it was gonna be more like that too, honey. Those are probably 1,000 a night or 500 a night. You know what I mean? This was 250 a night. Yeah, but look over there. There's the grill. There goes some action right there. Mr. Quincy throwing up in the car. The first time I guess he had to drive. He had to ride for an hour in the car in the trunk. So he threw up the last 20 minutes of the ride. Mental note on that one.
You up here now?
Oh, I'm down here.
You got the camera, Chris?
Oh, yeah, you darn right I do. This is our first outing. Marco up there. Does it look good up there? What's it look like up there?
Stand up there and see. I'm trying to stand up there.
Go try?
What are you doing? Yeah, move back. You two, move back. I don't know. Give my papa.
Oh, that's all right. And they got a little fan because it gets hot up here. Little fan. But okay. At least. There you go. In the window. Look at the window. Shoot.
How did you find it?
It was on Verbo.
But like, did you not see that it said 200 square feet?
No. It says 750 square feet.
That's not what it said.
Yes, it did.
That is not what it said.
All right, honey. It's the 4th of July. Oh, you're getting the strawberries, huh? Now that's a beauty right there. Yeah, big old broccoli. Oh, this one's turning into a cabbage. Cabbage Patch Kids. Oh, look, you got the onions so close together. That's pretty good. There's the ones over here, huh? See, this is very nice. Another big old broccoli. Oh boy, I love broccoli too. That's awesome. I see kohlrabi in there. This one. Oh, Lord. I don't know. Oh, there he is. Yeah, I can see it. Very nice. Turnips. Hey. That's all right. And the corn is as tall as you are over there. See, my corn did not work out for me this time. Man. And this one, the grapes are growing all the way up the thing now. It's 4th of July. That's an easy date to remember. The little compost thing. We're trying to let that stay for 6 months. It should have good fungal properties to it. And this strawberry bed is the original, and all the other strawberries we plucked from there and put around other places. We get about at least a cup a day of strawberries this time.
Yeah.
So this one is the pepper bed. Last year it was a tomato bed. And then over here is where we got the tomatoes. Now that everything's kind of grown up a little. Where are the cornflowers? Oh, these ones here. They're easy to see now. See, I can look. I can
This
see.
one was the tomato.
Yeah. I can see when they grow, but when they're little seedlings, it's a little bit more tough. Tomatoes in there. Oh, they're balled up. Yeah. That's nice. Yeah. Well, it's been hotter than last year too.
100 degrees in the shade here.
There we go. Come on. I'm trying to get a good angle. Your head was in the way. I had to come around the other side. Yay, broccoli. Long last, huh?
Uh-huh.
Good deal. All right. That's a, yeah. Back up here. Where's it at? Hey, that's a good kohlrabi.
Yeah. The one I gotta take out because the slugs got to it.
Oh no.
Yeah. See some joy over here. It's split.
Oh.
Yeah, that's compost.
Okay.
It's split open.
Oh, you'll put on your compost. Okay. Cause I see you put a bunch of leaves in the other compost.
Yeah. That was
Yeah. That compost over there. The mother's board.
breaking back some of these leaves in here.
Here is the start of a new batch of compost. We threw everything in there. All our leaves from the garden. And this one is the one that's gonna probably be sifted. I got a new thermometer. Here's last year's thermometer. Yeah, so I'm gonna sift this and put it in a container or something because it makes stuff grow 3 times the size. And here we go, right here. Look at that. Those onions are awesome. And we put them in there, and it's Mona Lisa-like. Yeah, I could say that. You know, no joke. Moving forward, that compost is very good because the pallets are starting to break down. So I'm gonna have to definitely keep this in the repertoire because it makes things grow 3 times.